I want to find all of the factors of 50. In order to do that, I need to make sure that I go in a very organized fashion so that I don't miss any of the factors. I'm going to start by writing the first pair down of 1 and 50 because I know that those two are factors of 50. I know that 50 is also a multiple of 2 because it's an even number. And I know 2 times 25 would give me a product of 50. Now I want to go through all of my numbers in order and think about them. I'm going to think about the number 3, but I know that all multiples of 3, the digits add up to 3, or a multiple of 3. 5 plus 0 is 5, so that means 3 is not a multiple. So I'm going to move on to 4. Let's see. I know that 4 times 10 is 40. And then if I did 4 times 12, that would be 48. And oh, that's not going to get me to 50. So I know that that one won't work. Let's see. So I got to go to my next number. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. Oh, I know that 50 is certainly a multiple of 5 because it ends in a 0. 5 times 10 is 50. Now, I see that 5 and 10 are pretty close to each other, and I know the only multiples I have left to try are the ones that are in between my last two here. So I'm going to write 6, 7, 8, and 9 down here at the bottom. There's a couple of those that I can eliminate pretty quickly. I know that multiples of 9 all add to 9, or multiple of 9. 5 plus 0 is 5, not 9, not 18, so I know that won't work. I know that in order for this number to be a multiple of 6, it has to be a multiple of 2 and 3. 3's not on my list, so I know 6 won't work. Now, 7s are kind of tricky. I got to count by 7. Let's see. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Oh, I skipped right over it. 7 won't work. 8. 8's kind of a tricky one, but I know one thing is for sure. If 4 is not on my list, 8 isn't going to be on my list, because if I count by 4, I'm going to say 8. I don't have 4 on my list, so I know 8 won't work either. I have found all of the factors of 50. This time I want to find all of the factors of 23. I know I can always start with 1 and 23. And you know, I can't think of any more off the top of my head, so that means I need to make sure to test out some numbers. I have to try every number between 1 and 23 and see if they work. Let's see. I'm going to jot down those numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what? I bet I only have to try about halfway through the numbers, because if 2 would work, about half of the numbers would work. So I think I'm just going to stop at halfway through the numbers. All right. 23 is an odd number. That means none of my even numbers are going to work. Hey, this is going a lot quicker than I thought it might. Hey, it ends in a 3, not a 5 or a 0, so I know 5 isn't going to work. Let's see. If I add 2 plus 3, that gives me 5. That's not a multiple of 3 or 9, so I can cross both of those out. Hey, look here. I just have to try 7 and 11. 11, 22, oop, not going to say 23, 7, 14, 21, 28, oop, I skipped right over it. That means this number must be a prime number. All right, I'm working to find the factors of 63 this time. Always start with 1 and 63. There aren't many ideas that are coming to mind. I know that 2 won't work, because that's an odd number. Let's see, what about 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. That's a multiple of 3. That means that this is going to work. Now I have to figure out what goes with 3. Let's see. 60 divided by 3 would give me 20. And 3 divided by 3, see, here's my 63, would give me 1. Oh, so it goes with 21. I know 4 won't work because that's an even number. I know 5 won't work because it ends in the 3. I'm going to have to write down these numbers that are in between. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And there's my 21. Do you see any that I could eliminate right off? What about the 10 and 20? Will those work? No, because this doesn't end in a 0. Will any even number work? No, because that doesn't end in an even number. Wow, look at how many I've been able to cross off. Does this end in a 5? No, so I can cross out 5 and 15. 11s are fun. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. Oh, skipped right over it. That one didn't work. All right, it looks like I'm going to have to try some out in here. 7. Let's count by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and then 42, 49, 56, 63. Oh, 7 times 9 is 63. Now look what I've got here. Now I have 7 and 9, and the only number in between those two is 8. And I've already crossed off 8. That's so exciting. This number is a composite number, and I found all 6 of the whole number factors.